Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make Vercel deployment public. If you've deployed a project on Vercel and want others to view it online, you'll need to make sure your deployment is publicly accessible. Public deployments allow anyone with the link to access your website or application without needing login permissions. To begin, open your browser and log into the dashboard of Vercel. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where all of your projects and deployments are listed. Next, navigate to the Deployments section. This area shows every deployment created for your project, including production deployments and preview deployments. Each entry will include information such as the deployment time, status, and a unique deployment URL. Click on the specific deployment you want to share publicly. When you open it, Vercel will display the deployment preview page, where you can view your application running in the hosted environment. Then now, click on the Share button on the top right corner. As you can see, the project is set to private, as people who have access can only comment. Click on it and select the Publicly Accessible option. After the deployment is public, you can use the generated Vercel link. The URL usually follows a format similar to yourprojectname.vercel.app. Anyone with this link can now open the site in their browser. This makes it easy to share your project with clients, team members, test users, and visitors to your website. If you want your project to appear more professional, you can also connect a custom domain through the Domain section in the Vercel dashboard. This allows you to use your own website address instead of the default Vercel subdomain. By opening your project, checking the deployment protection settings, and sharing the public URL, you can easily allow anyone to access your deployed application. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye!